Hello guys, it's Dale here with weekly trading ideas for this week starting today, the 29th of November 2021. And before I go into the trading ideas, I would like to remind you that we are currently running a Black Friday sale and that sale will end tomorrow, Tuesday the 30th of November. And the special deal which you can get until tomorrow is 50% off from my volume profile training course and also from my order flow training course. So if you are interested in learning with volume profile and if you want to trade with me every day, then go to trading course and tools, and there you can get my elite pack 50% discounted until tomorrow. And if you are interested in learning how to trade with the order flow, which is mainly a tool used for intraday trading, then go here, and again until tomorrow you can get the order flow indicator and my order flow trading course 50% discounted. Right? Now at the top of that there's also a bonus. It's a completely new thing and you'll get that if you become our member for free. So this is it. It's called Trade Manager and it's super useful thing, and if you want to learn more about it then you just click this banner and I set up a web page where you can learn more about it. Alright, so that's the Trade Manager, super useful tool for trading, which also includes a very cool feature. It's called Secure Limit Orders and it basically protects your limit orders from spikes caused by macro news. But yeah, you can learn more about it on this page. There are a couple of short videos and there's sort of a main video which you can watch that will show you the features more in detail. So yeah, that's what you are going to get along with the training packages. Just don't forget the 50% Black Friday sale ends tomorrow. So yeah, that's all about that, and let's now go and have a look at the charts and the trading ideas. So what you see before you is my day trading layout. It consists of 3 charts. The one at the top is a sort of an overview chart and it is a 60-minute chart. And on this chart I use is weekly volume profiles. Those are profiles that get automatically printed each week and they show volume distribution throughout the whole week. Then this chart, this is sort of a main chart that I use, and in here I use flexible volume profile. That's a volume profile which you can move around, look into specific areas in the chart. So it's a really handy tool. And the last chart is a 30-minute chart, the same chart as this one. This is also a 30-minute chart. And this one shows volume profiles that get printed automatically each day. So those are daily profiles and they show daily volume distribution. So the trading idea on the Euro British Pound that I wanted to show you is a strong support which is at 0.8413. Right there, let's have a look at that 30-minute chart. And if you look at the volume profile in this area which I selected, then you can see that it was very wide in here. Massive volumes were traded there in this little rotation before the start of this strong uptrend. And this indicates that there were strong buyers, and those strong buyers were building the long positions in here in this rotation, and then they pushed and manipulated the price to go upwards. And those volumes are super important now because they show us those big guys who manipulated the price to go upwards. And those big guys will want to defend this zone. So when there's a pullback, then those guys will want to push the price upwards from there again. They'll want to defend it, possibly enter some more longs in this liquidity zone and push the price upwards from there again. So this is why I think it is a strong day trading support. This is a setup which I call the volume accumulation setup, and basically the core of this setup is rotation with heavy volumes followed by a trend. The same thing happened in here actually. There was a rotation with massive volumes and then a trend activity. Then there was a pullback to this heavy volume zone. Right? From there, a reaction. So the same thing as we had in here is now in here. Alright, so I think that there'll be a reaction like this. This is how the volume accumulation setup works. So yeah, there's the euro, British pound, strong support at 0.8413. And let's now go and have a look at another chart, another trading idea. And this one will be on the euro Australian dollar. So now the charts show the euro Australian dollar, and in here there's a setup which is almost exactly the same as the one I already showed you. The price action is almost the same. As you can see, there are heavy volumes created within a rotation, and from there a strong uptrend started. So this is a sign that strong buyers were building up their longs here, and then they pushed the price aggressively upwards. So those guys, those strong buyers, will want to defend this zone, which is at 55.93, and they'll want to push the price upwards from there again. Do you see how similar that is to that example I showed you before, to that trading idea before? It's almost exactly the same thing. Also in here, those volumes, right? In here, then pull back to those volumes, and this reaction is the same as before, right? Only a different chart, but the setups are the same. So again, a viable level to trade from, strong support in here is at 1.5593. Alright, again it is the volume accumulation setup. Now let's go and have a look at another trading idea, and this one will be on the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. So what I wanted to show you in here is a trend setup. You trade the trend setup when there is a trend, and you look into the trend area with volume profile. You do it like this, and you look for significant volume zones like this one, significant volume clusters. So what happened in here was that sellers were pushing the price downwards, then they were adding to their shorts in this little rotation, and you can see those volumes in here, those shorts in here. Then they continued to push the price even lower. So chances are that those sellers who placed those shorts in here will want to defend this zone when there's a pullback, and they'll want to add some more to their shorts and defend this zone and push the price downwards from there again. Alright, this heavy volume zone begins at 0.8760. This is where the resistance starts. I think the sellers will start defending this zone and pushing the price downwards. Alright, so this is a setup which you use when there's a trend, like for example in here. Nice and strong, easily visible trend activity. Alright, so that's for the trading idea on the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. Before I wrap up this video, I would like to announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of a contest is volume profile indicator for MT4 platform, and right now on your screen you should see the name of the person who won the indicator. So congratulations for winning in the contest, and what I'll do is I'll do another contest for you guys. The only thing you need to do to participate in that contest is leave a comment below this video, which I'll upload on YouTube, and the next week I'll randomly pick one person, and that person will win my volume profile indicator. So yeah, that's about this video. Thanks for watching, I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget, there's the Black Friday sale, it's ending tomorrow, so if you are thinking about getting one of my educational courses and indicators, then the price has never been lower than it currently is. So yeah, that's about that. Thanks for watching, I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video or in our members area, and until then, happy trading!